Hi everyone, in next class the important topic is, this is the important or most common question will be there. What is the difference between water tube boiler? This one is known as the water tube boiler and this one is known as the fire tube boiler. What is the difference between water tube boiler and fire tube boiler? What is the difference between water tube boiler and fire tube boiler? As you can see here, the water circulate inside the tube which are surrounded by hot gases, the furnace, okay na. The water circulate inside the tube. Suppose this one is your tube is there, okay na. Inside that what will be there? Inside that what will be there? Water will be there. Inside that what will be there? Water will be there. Inside that what will be there? Water will be there, and it is surrounded with hot gases. It is surrounded with hot gases. This side as well as this side, it is surrounded with which gases? Hot gases. Then the tube is known as water tube boiler. Inside the water, if water is there, inside the tube if water is there, that one is known as water tube boiler, okay na, water tube boiler. Fire tube boiler means inside the tube, okay na, this one is the tube. Inside the tube what is there? Fire is there. Inside the tube hot gases. Fire means what will be there? Hot gases. And surrounded with what is there? Surrounded with what is there? Water is there. And surrounded with what is there? Water is there. So this one is known as the water fire tube boiler and this one is known as the water tube boiler. This is the first difference. Inside the tube if water is there, that one is known as the water tube boiler. Inside the tube if hot gases are there, so that one is known as the hot gases tube. Clear? This is the first point for water tube boiler and fire tube boiler. Now next, it generates the steam at high pressure up to 160 bar. How much pressure will be there? 165 bar. Pressure is equal to how much? 165 bar. Pressure is equal to how much? 165 bar. In which tube? Water tube boiler. 165 bar. And as you can see, pressure in that, how much is there? 24.5 bar. How much is there pressure? 24.5 bar. Here in water tube boiler pressure is 160 bar. In fire tube boiler pressure range is equal to 24.5 bar. Next, the rate of generation of steam in high up to that 450 tons. How many tons per hour is there? 450 tons. How many tons? 9 tons. How many tons are there? Here only 9 tons are there, and here how many tons are there? 450 tons. 450 tons, and that one is the 9 ton. For a given power, the floor area is required. How much floor area is required? 5 meter square. How much floor area is required? 5 meter square. The floor area is required more about 8 meter square. How much it required? 8 meter. How much it required? 8 meter. And how much here it required? 5 meter. Overall efficiency of a economizer with economizer. How much overall efficiency is there? 90%. And how much overall efficiency is there? 75%. Here economizer means while providing feed water, the feed water in the form of hot. The feed water in the form of hot. So that one is known as the economizer. Heat overall efficiency is how much? 75%. Overall efficiency how much is there here? 75%. It can be easy to transmit and extract easy as it is. Various parts can be separated. Here you can separate the parts. Okay na? In water tube boiler, what you can do if you want to shift or transfer that boiler in other place, so easily you can deassemble that one and you kept at one place and you can transfer anywhere wherever you want. But here the transportation and irrigation is difficulty, means you can cut, because big boiler is there, for separating that somewhat difficulty is there. For both you can do, but it is referred to the wild fluctuation load, wildly fluctuation load. If load is more, then only this type of boilers is referred. If load is more, then only this type of boilers is referred. If load is more, then only this type of boiler is referred. If load is more, then only this type of boiler is referred. So you have to remember this one. If load is more, then only this type of boiler is referred. After that, overall efficiency is over, depending upon load is there, and here the direction of water circulated is well defined. The direction of water is not sir, means from where it is coming, where it is going, and here where it is coming, where it is going. It is somewhat difficult is there to identify, but here it is easy is there to identify that one. Here it is somewhat difficulty is there. Circulation of water is well defined, but here somewhat difficulty is there. Okay, the water does not circulate in a definite direction. Wherever the water means any type will be come from this side, this side, this side, from any side water will be come. The operation cost is high, the cost is equal to high. Here the operation cost is less, operation cost is high, operation cost is less. The bursting changes are more, here the bursting changes are less, here more is there and here less is there. You have to remember this one. The boosting does not produce any distraction the whole boiler, here distraction will be not there, here distraction will be not there, and here some damage will be there. What will be there here? Some damage. Next one, it is used for large power plant and it is not suitable for large power plant because the efficiency of this boiler is more. The efficiency of this boiler is more compared to the other. So, fire tube boiler, which type of boiler? Fire tube boiler is good, water tube boiler is good compared to the fire tube boiler because here having more efficiency, larger pressure and generate rate is also high, everything is good compared to the fire tube boiler. So, mostly you have to prefer which type of boiler? Water tube boiler. You have to prefer which type of boiler? Water tube boiler. In short, suppose it is given, you can write 5 to 6, okay, now 5 to 6 point you can write, any points you can write, but long it is given for the 6 marks or 4 marks, then you have to write all the points starting from 1 to ending, starting from 1 to ending. This is the first point, second point, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Suppose it is given for 6 marks also, so you have to write all the 12 points. Suppose it is given for 2 marks, okay, na, it is given for 2 to 3 marks, then you can write the 6 point, okay, na. Suppose it is given for 2 to 3 marks, okay, na. Suppose it is given for 2 to 3 marks, then you can write the 6 point. Suppose it is given for